9th Street River, ladies and gentlemen. 9th Street Dam. In case you didn't know. In case you didn't know. Rushing good today. I want to get in there with a tube, take a tube and launch it off over on the other side. Or just jump in right here with a tube and let it take you down as far as it'll take you. March 30th, Alpena, Michigan, ladies and gentlemen. That's cool. Looks like the water level's getting a little higher, folks. Looks like she's getting a little bit higher. We'll have to see how high this beast gets. Wait till they open 2 or 3 of them up. Putting all our fresh water into the Great Lakes so they can suck it out and bottle it. What? We're gonna bottle our fresh water, folks, and sell it to China. Exactly what they're gonna do. This is pretty cool. We're gonna go up on top of the bridge, ladies and gentlemen. Actually, I'll chill under here and record for a minute. A little bit warmer under here, folks. If you were homeless, this would be the place to stay. Shelters you from all the wind. Never fish right here, you'll get a snag for sure. For sure. Big time snagging. Awesome. Looks like a winter wonderland. In spring. Imagine that. Anybody want to go tubing today? I want to. Got the dams open. Shouts out to Andy on my Facebook who shared the video. That's pretty cool, man. Pretty friggin' cool. We're gonna go up on top of the bridge, see what we can see from up there. Look at the big ass snowflakes, ladies and gentlemen. Big ass snowflakes today. I'll upload this video pretty soon. Everybody will be running down here taping this, ladies and gentlemen. Just like they did with my ice waves video. Would have been all good until you acted like you just went down there and found out about the idea by yourself and you didn't watch my video. Yeah, right. Shit I gotta do to make a YouTube video, ladies and gentlemen. Scrappies everywhere. What if some little kid were to fall and get impaled by that? Are you kidding me? Cut that off and scrap it before some little kid falls on it. This too. Unbelievable. Incompetence. Whew. Holy shit. It's better taping under here. It's cooler. Warmer. You ain't got snow flying into the friggin' camera. Holy shit, man. Wait till they open about 2 or 3 of them beasts up. Then the water washes all the way up on the top of that wall. Oh yeah, I'm John the Picker, I'm out. 9th Street Dam. Spring weather report with John the Picker. Check the weather in the picker hood, ladies and gentlemen. We're getting a little bit of freaking snow, as you can tell. Snowing up big time. March 30th snowstorm. Went from walking around with our shirts off to friggin' snow. Unbelievable, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully it doesn't stick. Snowing up big times. Let's check gas prices today. Barely see. $2.39 a gallon. It's cold in the picker hood, ladies and gentlemen. Friggin' cold. Let me do the windshield. Look at standing out here for 2 seconds, already covered in snow. It's just blowing on me. Do the windshield washing. That didn't work. Just blowing into the camera, folks. Need to get a lens to stop that. Pickerhood snowstorm. We're out from Walmart. Can't shoot a friggin' video around this town, yet snow blowing right in your car. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Friggin' 3D snowstorm coming right at you. What? That's craziness. Inch of snow in the car, folks. MC Sports over yonder. Well, that's the Walmart sign. MC Sports is over there by AutoZone. Big snowstorm in the Pickerhood, ladies and gentlemen. Look, you can tell. Totally tell. Might as well get a good shot around here. Western Auto, ladies and gentlemen, like I said. This was Ripley Street Station, big ass grocery store. They had a big meat counter in there and everything. Was Glenn's at one time. Awesome. Freaking awesome. They had some good ass meat in there. Now it just sits empty. What? For years that place has been empty. It's a nice ass store. I don't understand it. Do not understand it. Awfully cold tonight, ladies and gentlemen. A little bit of white caps coming in. A little bit of white caps. That's where Skeet Reese was launching his boat and shit. KVD over there. Friggin' hands are frozen, ladies and gentlemen. Lake Huron today. Cold as shit. I'm sure of it. Waves ain't too big. Bigger, they would be bigger than that today, ladies and gentlemen. Freaking windy. Shit, folks. I got to go.